Here are my picks for the top 10 items you need at Costco this June 2025. I do my top 10 picks every month, so if you like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and wait to the end for a bonus item. Starting us off with item number 1 is these Arcade Up Miss Pac-Man officially licensed arcade games. This is such a cool way to bring those classic arcade games back home to you, whether you have a game room or just looking for something to do in the evenings. These actually come pre-loaded with 12 of the original Pac-Man games, including Super Pac-Man, Pac-Man Plus, and many, many more fun games. Now, these come with a built-in 17-inch LCD screen and can be mounted on a wall, the back of a door, or even just placed on your desk to play. These actually come with the original arcade buttons and controls, so you really get that nostalgic feel. So if you want to pick one up for yourself, these are available right now for $229.99. Next up is something I've seen everybody talking about this past week. Check out these Disneyland 70th Anniversary 3-day park hopper tickets that they've rolled out. Now, these actually come with a 30-day meal credit for each one of these. Now, sadly, these are actually meant for individuals. You can't just buy it and use it for your whole family, although I wish you could. Now, on top of that dining credit that comes with these, you also get a Lightning Lane multi-pass. Now, if you compare these to similar offers on Disney's website, this actually beats out all the ones that I've seen, usually being about $50 to $100 cheaper. So if you're planning on going to Disney before December of this year, definitely pick one up because they're available right now for $449.99. Next up, we have the Keter Walnut Elevated Garden Bed. This is 110 liters or 29 gallons, and as you can see, these things are actually self-watering, which means you can add water in here and it'll stay at the bottom and keep your plants hydrated even on the hottest of days. I think this would make such a cool vegetable garden or maybe even a flower pot. Maybe put this on your patio and add some sunflowers in and give you some extra privacy if you have some nosy neighbors. Now, these also come with storage at the bottom, which means you can store your garden tools, maybe your gloves, and anything else that you need, and you don't have to go running around looking for them, and they're available right now for $99.99. Next up on our list for item number 4 is these Skylight all-in-one calendars. Now, these are perfect for sticking in your kitchen and keeping your family organized. These will actually auto-sync with all of your calendars, whether you have Outlook, Yahoo, Apple, anything else that you have. These will sync up so your whole family is aware of all the plans for the weekend. Now, these do come with 1 year free of Skylight Plus, but it also works if you don't want the subscription, and they're available right now for $269.99. Now, if you're in need of a new backyard or patio bench, then Leisureline has just rolled out these black composite benches. Now, all of these are sustainably sourced and made of recycled materials, which means not only are they better for the environment, but they're also UV and weather resistant. You don't need to winterize these things. They're going to last longer than your standard wood benches that crack and peel with age. I personally love the way these things look, so if you want to pick one up for yourself, these are available right now for $199.99. Now, item number 6 is definitely something that we all need. This is the Umbra Gallery 7-piece photo frame set, and as you can see, these can be laid out in multiple configurations. I personally think this would be great for a stairwell or maybe in your bedroom if you have some open wall space. These are available in 2 color options. You have black and aged walnut. Personally, I think the aged walnut looks best, but if you pick one up, make sure to let me know down in the comments which one you think looks better. So if you're like me and you have a bunch of photos that you've been meaning to hang up, definitely head down to Costco and check out this deal for $31.49. Rolling right along to our next item, let's check out these Bird Rock memory foam floor chairs. Now, these are actually fully adjustable, which means you can adjust that back to 14 different positions and are made from memory foam, so they're super comfortable. As you can see, they actually stow flat, so you can tuck these behind a couch or maybe just put them somewhere where it's a little bit more convenient. These are perfect whether you have kids or a large group of friends and you want to play some games together or maybe just some cards on the floor. Growing up, I actually had something like this and they were not comfortable at all. So when I sat down on this in store, I was like, oh man, I am jealous. These are available right now for $46.49. Next up is got to be one of my favorite new kitchen gadgets. Check out this Gourmet 11-quart double-decker air fryer that's available right now. Now, these things, of course, are 2 independently controlled air fryers, which means this is perfect for a large family if you have some picky eaters who don't like to eat the same things. Now, these are both independently controlled via this LED screen that folds out on the side. Now, these are built with 4-layer cooking in mind, which means the top is meant for your proteins and the bottom for your side dishes. I personally just recently started using an air fryer, and let me tell you, it is way, way better than my microwave. Things just taste so much fresher and better cooked. So if you want to pick one up for yourself, these are on sale for $30 off, bringing the price to just under $100. Now for our next kitchen gadget, Costco has rolled out these Rotary style food graters with stainless steel drums. By far my favorite feature of these is they actually come with a suction cup at the bottom, which means all you do is place these down on your countertop and twist this little dial and that bad boy isn't going anywhere. And then when you want to unlock it, you just slide it to the side and these things pop right back off. Now you can do lots of different types of food prep with this, whether you're grating your cheese or slicing your vegetables. These can take care of that job for you, and the best part about it is each one of these stainless steel graters are dishwasher safe, which means you don't have to worry about shredding your sponge every time you go to clean them. So if you want to pick one up for yourself, these are available for $28.99. Next up, for all you sports fans out there, is an officially licensed special event item. This is the NFL 15-piece premium drinkware collection. Now, these are actually state by state, which means they will display your local team right on the box there. These come with 2 10-ounce rock glasses, as well as stone cubes, storage bag, a set of tongs, and slate coasters to give you that full effect. With Father's Day right around the corner, this could be a great Father's Day gift, or maybe just a nice way to celebrate if your local team wins, and they're available right now for $39.99. And now for our bonus item for those of you who stayed to the end. This is Costco's Egg Witch Turkey Sausage Breakfast Sandwich. Now, the thing that caught my eye about these is they're actually 17 grams of protein with minimal carbs, which is such a great option compared to fast food or just regular breakfast sandwiches. Now, these are actually prepared in under 2 minutes. All you do is take them out of the packaging and wrap them in a wet paper towel. Then you place them into the microwave and do 50 seconds on each side, and they come out absolutely steaming. These come with a single slice of cheese that comes out all melty and gooey, and they're absolutely delicious. So if you want to give them a try yourself, these are actually on sale right now for $10.99. That's going to do it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next month.